Hello, Ami, and today's tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing Ami what we need to have set down before BTS releases the ticket prices and all things. So let's dive into. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is type in Ticketmaster in our Chrome browser. And when we search that, we're going to tap on the first link at the top, and this is going to be what will be shown on your screen. Then you're going to tap on the icon at your top right. Yeah. Here you're going to fill in your email address, then click on continue, and you'll be taken to another page where you sign up for your Ticketmaster account. So here is where you sign up for your account. You're going to put in the password, put in your first and last government name, your country, and your post code. And after that, we go on next. So here you have to verify your email address and phone number. Your code will be sent to your email and the same with your phone. Then verify them and we move to the next. And after verifying your email and phone number, you'll be brought back to this home page. Then here is where you have to it's a must. So you go back again, the icon you clicked on the first time, the one at the top right, you're going to click on it again. After clicking on the icon, you see this. All you have to do is click on my profile. Then underneath my profile, you're going to click on billing information and it goes at you to where you have to put in your credit card. Then you'll be brought here. While you're here, all you have to add in your debit card or credit card will be blank white. Don't refresh the page, just wait a little bit, and what you're seeing on my screen right now will eventually reflect on yours. Then you tap on add debit card, and here you have to fill in the exact detail on your card in here. And after that, you're going to be clicking on that payment. Yes, that is going to save in your credit card details, so you don't have to put it all over again when BTS tickets are on sale. And you are done with that. Don't forget your password. You can save it on your phone or write it down. Then you need to go to your Apple Store or App Store and download the Weverse app. The Weverse app is where BTS or BT announce the tour dates, the tour prices, and yeah. And if you don't know, this is also where BTS go live. And yeah, that is all for now. If you have any question, please state it down in the comments. I will respond to it. Please also subscribe to my channel, Amy. And yes, I can't wait for BTS. So this is truly back done, and Amy. Bye, Amy. See you in my next video.